Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If today's your first time on here, welcome and please hit the subscribe button. I will be most grateful for that. Today we're making stir fry pasta. You really don't want to miss out on this recipe. So without further ado, let's get on with it. So today I will be working with this beautiful pans that I got from Halfson. Halfson is a UK brand and they make beautiful cookware, and they have kindly sent me their Asteroid Trio set, which is a set of 3 pans. And in this set, you get a shallow frying pan, a deep frying pan, and also a casserole pan. So let's talk about the deep frying pan first. It's a 28 centimeters pan, and it is suitable for all hob types. As you can see, it's got a wooden handle as well. This pan is big enough for you to use as a stir fry pan and also as a wok. It's got a glass lid, and that's also got a wooden handle as well, and the lid is also vented. The shallow frying pan is also 28 centimeters, and similar to the deep frying pan, it's also suitable for all hob types. It's also got a wooden handle. Now, the best part about these pans is the fact that they are absolutely non-stick, nothing sticks to them, and as you will see when I begin to cook with them. And the last pan is a 24 centimeters casserole pan. It's got a straining lid, and it is also suitable for all hob types. So if you are interested in purchasing these pans, I will be leaving a purchase link in my description box below. So for today's recipe, I will be using some shredded bacon. I've also got some boneless chicken thighs and some chopped bell peppers and carrots. And I will also be using some bell peppers and tomatoes. This I will be blending. I haven't got onions today, I'm afraid. And I've got some chopped spring onions. So the first thing I will be doing is to season my chicken. And for this, I will be using some black pepper, salt, bouillon cubes, garlic powder, and some smoked paprika. And I'm just going to mix this thoroughly and then leave to marinate for about half an hour. You can do longer if you've got the time. And at this time, I'm going to add some vegetable oil into the shallow frying pan, and when it heats up, I will be frying my bacon until perfectly fried, browned, and crispy. And once the bacon is perfectly fried, I will be transferring it into a plate, leaving the residual oil in the pan. Now, because I haven't got enough oil in the pan, I'm just going to add just a little bit more, just enough to fry the chicken, because that's what's going in next. And at this time, I will begin to add the chicken into the pan, and this I will leave to fry for about 8 to 10 minutes or until perfectly fried. Now, after frying, this is what it looks like. See how beautifully juicy they look. I will recommend that you use chicken thighs instead of breast for this recipe. I mean, they are more flavorful, they are juicier as well. Now, to make the stir fry, I will be using the wok. And to this, I will be adding the oil from the chicken. And because I haven't got enough oil again, I will be adding just a bit more. And like I said earlier, I haven't got onions, so I will not be sauteing any in this. And I will go in with my blended bell peppers and tomatoes. And to this, I will be adding some garlic powder, curry powder, stock cubes, thyme, and some salt. And at this time, I'm just going to stir this thoroughly and then leave to fry for about 15 minutes. But please check on it every now and then so it doesn't burn. While that is happening, I will be making my spaghetti. So for that, I will be transferring some boiling water into my pan, and then add some oil and some salt. And at this time, I'm going to go in with my pasta, and then I will leave to cook until al dente. Al dente just simply means where it's still a bit firm, or where it still has a little bit of resistance when you bite through it. Now this is going to take about 8 to 10 minutes thereabouts, but I always advise that you cook according to package instructions, and that's because they come in different textures. And as you can see here, it's still a bit firm, and that's okay for me. And I'm just going to take this to my sink and strain. And now we're back to the pepper base, and this has been frying for about 15 minutes. And as you can see, I have managed to get rid of some of the moisture from the tomatoes, and I'm going to go in now with my chopped peppers and carrots. And this I will fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can do longer, but that just depends on how you like your vegetables. I like mine still a bit crunchy. And after 2 to 3 minutes, I will begin to add my spaghetti. And I'm just going to do this gradually so I don't end up with too much spaghetti or too much base. So I'm just going to mix this thoroughly and then add a bit more as I go. And once it is well combined, I will be going in with the bacon, the chicken, and my spring onions. And now I'm just going to mix. And once it is well combined, I will be simmering this on low heat for about 2 minutes, and it's ready to eat. You really need to try this pasta. It was absolutely flavorful. It was amazing. And please, if you do replicate it, please let me know how you're getting by leaving me a comment in the comment section. I really do love to read from you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.